Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Guysini, we all know our very beautiful Tyler, the girl that's representing us globally and making us shine, right? So there is something that Ukgopolo wrote about her. And Ukgopolo said, tidbit, Tyler ties with Beyonce in BET Awards norms. Our South African global star and Grammy winner has achieved a huge feat as she is competing with bigger artists in the world. I mean, Beyonce. Tyler and Beyonce are tied with 4 nominations each on 2024 BET Awards. Impressively, Tyler goes head-to-head with Queen Bey in the category Best Female R&B Pop Artist and Viewers' Choice Awards, with her hit song Water taking on Beyonce Texan Hold'em. 21 Savage, Doja Cat, Megan Thee Stallion, and Asha are also tied to the aforementioned ladies with 4 nominations each. Now, the question is, how many will Tyler take against Beyonce? We know if it has to do with voting. Queen Bee would definitely get more voting, but our girl is on the map. And what do you think? Will she win? Will they go half-half? Or what's going to happen? While you're thinking about it and responding, please do like, share, and most of all, subscribe.